Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the rear hatch and remove the access panel or carpet to reach the tail lamp assembly. Modern Highlanders typically have a plastic cover held by clips or Velcro. With the lamp exposed, locate the bulb housing and turn the lamp housing counterclockwise 1/4 turn and pull it straight out to expose the bulb socket. Wear gloves and keep a small 10 mm socket or flat screwdriver handy to remove any retaining bolts. Avoiding bare finger oils on bulbs prevents premature failure. Pull the wiring socket straight out while gently wiggling to release the bulb from the socket. Do not twist the bulb itself. Replace the brake bulb with the correct type, often 7443 dual filament or 7440 single filament. Check your manual for the exact part number and amperage rating. Insert the new bulb fully, then push the wiring socket back into the housing until it clicks into place. Confirm the bulb sits flush and that you did not touch the glass surface with bare fingers. Have an assistant press the brake pedal while you verify brake light illumination and proper turn signal function. Check both high and low filament operation if applicable. Reinstall the lamp housing by aligning tabs, turning clockwise 1/4 turn, and snapping the access panel and carpet back in place. Ensure all clips and a 10 mm bolt are tightened to factory feel. If a dashboard warning persists or the lamp still fails, inspect the fuse box, socket corrosion, and wiring harness and replace the socket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.